Hello friends, welcome to the Geomorphology MCQs for various geological exams. This is the video for question number 33 to question number 40. So let's begin. Question number 33 is drumlins are found by which of the following process? So drumlins, this is found by the glacial process. Now next question is bajadas are found in which of the following environment? So as you can see in this picture here, that this is the arid or semi-arid regions. Here you have the alluvial fans, okay, these triangular structures. Now in between these alluvial fans you have the area which is known as bajada, and there are some other terminologies also like the playa lakes and balsams which are related to the arid regions. Okay, so you have to remember all these three terminologies. Bajadas, playa lake and balsams are related to the desert or the arid type of climate, and hence second option is our right answer. Now question number 35th is which is the physical weathering? So you know, as far as the physical weathering is concerned, we have the physical parameters that will act like temperature and pressure, two which are the most important. Now the replacement of hydrogen ion, it is clear that a chemical process. Addition of oxygen ion, it is also a chemical process. Dissolution, this is also a chemical process. While root basing is concerned, then it is a physical type of weathering like this is the let us consider that this is a root, and as it expands it will exert pressure in the surrounding areas, and because of this pressure increasing activity, the rock will be disintegrated or they will be break into a small pieces. So hence here pressure plays an important role, and pressure is related to the physical quantity or it is a physical parameter, and hence fourth option will be our right answer. Next question is dolines is a feature of. So dolines is a feature of karst topography. We have already discussed in the previous video, so there is no need for any explanation. So here fourth option is our right answer. Now corrosion is a process. Now as far as the erosional processes are concerned, we have the several erosional processes like we have the deflation, okay, in the arid climate. Then you have the fluvial actions in the abrasion, you have the attrition, okay, and where there is availability of fluids or mainly water, you have the chemical erosion as well. So the term corrosion is sometimes used in the place of chemical action, and there is one more term that is corrosion. Okay, this term is used sometimes in place of abrasion. So corrosion is chemical and corrosion is physical. So here first option is our right answer. Now next question is yardang is formed by. Yardang is formed by the wind activity and mainly the process of abrasion. Okay, so here you can see a geomorphic feature that is known as yardang. Now next question is the old stage feature of the river is. Now as you will see about the options oxbow meanders and delta, both of three are a little bit confusing. So in such a questions you have to make a general profile of river like this, that this is the meandering, and as we move towards the mouth of river, you will find that there are some oxbow lakes. Then as we move further, then we will have the delta. So here as the old stage is concerned, we will see about the relative positions of all of these three structures. So in the relative positions, deltas are the last one, so we will consider that delta belongs to the old stage. Okay, hence third option will be our right answer. Now question number 40 or last question is the critical erosional velocity. So critical erosional velocity is actual the velocity that is needed to uplift any of particles. Like you have a surface and there are several particles, sand, silt and clay are settled in that. Then the amount of energy which is needed to uplift sand particles will be the critical erosional velocity for sand, and the amount of energy which is needed for the upliftment of clay, then it will be the critical erosional velocity for clay. So here in this graph you can see that the upper curve is showing the mean or critical erosional velocity curve. Okay, and here are the you have the particle size, you have sand, silt, clay. So as you will see that sand have this much of the critical erosional velocity, but when it goes to the silt, it has a little bit more critical erosional velocity. If you will look for the clay, it will have a little bit more than that of silt. So why is there differences? So this is the difference because clay and silt, they will feel a they will feel a adhesive force with the subsurface. That's why they will attach more than that of sand. So we need more energy to counter that adhesive force for the clay and silt. Okay, so hence second option here will be our right answer. So it's all about for today. In the next video we will see some next questions. Thank you.